Oh, snap, I forgot something. That's better. Oh, you can't even see it. I will get a book or something. Give me a second. There we go. That's better. Lighting here is probably horrible. You fix that. There we go. Now you can see. Let's start this over. It's me, Bigsby. I don't have my Lego minifigure up there just because I don't. And today we will be opening up these. Some Chaos Galaxy stuff. There, now you can see it better. Sorry to break it to you guys though. These I have opened up before, and I know all the stuff that's inside of it because these reactions aren't original. They just aren't. Anyway, let's get right into it with the Set 1 Origins of Chaos booster box or battle box. Don't know who this person who created this game is. Go check him out. Chaos Galaxy TCG. Anyway, our planet card is Barrow. And we got Blaze Elixir, Semi-Omniplanetary Disguise. I'm gonna pause there because I'm gonna need to get another book. There we go. We got Naked with a naked demented chicken guy on the front. Temple of the Archangels, which is common. Gonna put all of our kinds in the pile here. Smackinism. And we're in a different location today because this phone is almost dead, I think. Anyway, we got Smackinism. Bolide Comet, Rewind Wormhole, Rello Hex Power Crystal, Charge Blaster, Galaxy's Gift, Aeronite. Our combiner is the Sucker Slug Otherface, Helda, and his art is all original. Go check him out. And we got Schwaggle. And then next we got possibly one of the best cards, one of the most fan favorite cards in the game besides Slush. Drangel. I said probably because you might. Guster. And then our really or ridiculously rare card is Phantom Matter. And we got Adatrox, Zinza, Boggy Booga, Sparkeye, Desert Dancer, Flappy Dragon, Cloudicorn, Bob2699, Thousand Eyed Fish. If you would like to know how to play this game, just check out his YouTube channel. Vazuzu. Then here's the demented chicken guy. Minflacky. Then we got we got a rare Desert Quake, another rare Warp Hole Territory, another rare Terraforming. We got Viridius the Devourer as a final rare. Then we got the 2 limited edition cards that come in it. We got Galactic Shapeshifter, designed by Owen Tincombe. And then we got Eden the Protector of Fire, designed by LOL Slayer Nexus. Whoops, and I almost dropped all this into the gutter. Okay, and that's that. And then we're going to open this set 2 battle box with the Elite Drangel on the cover. There's a naked guy. There's a naked angel guy with dragons coming out of his back. Gonna open this up. As you can see, this has definitely been used. Like, the box isn't even, had to tape the bottom to keep it from falling apart. So my reactions aren't original. I'm sorry. That's just the way it is. Planet card Syndion. We got Not Tonight, Starship Extra XXS, a rare double-sided spear, the Sacred Reef, or another rare Telepathic Touch. We got Emergency Escape Pod as an activator, Universe Boundary. And then we got Are Really or Ridiculously Rare, which is a ridiculously rare. Are you ready for it? Omnius, the Planet Abomination. The strongest card in the game with 500 power and 500 health. He's a 10-star no planet person creature. Probably the pride and joy of my collection here. Now we got Divinite, Sky Sentinel West as our combiner, Star Absorber, Double Wormhole. Then we got the Pointy Bugabooga, who's pointy. See, he's got spikes around him. He's whoops. He's not whoops, he's pointy. And we got the Crawlock. And then we got Wild Wang. Chaos Galaxy TCG guy who does these cards. If you are watching this, yes, I got a Wild Wing. And no, I only have one of them. I do not have multiple ones. We got Weatherman Soonshine. We got Peblo. Oh, I didn't know. I forgot this card was name was Peblo. Because in one of my TCGs, I'll pull it up right now. You get a sneak peek as an early video to come. I didn't know that was, I forgot it was called Peblo, so I named this guy Peblo. And this is for a game that I call Monsters version 2. I'll go over that in a different video. Have to change his name. Then we got Astral Traveler, Taupe Swinger. My hand's in the way. Just brighter. Taupe Swinger, Frostboss, Bubbo. We got the Super Spicy Curry Man, Molten Mage. Then you should not have done that. Collector's Cabinet, Relohex Mine to go the Relohex Crystal that was in this box. Zonal Destruction, United, Enchantment Chest, Galactabo, Crash Landing with Wild Ring, getting crash landed. And then we got our limited edition cards. And when I first initially opened this, on the back it says 2 of 4 exclusive limited edition cards. But I got 3 of the 4 instead.